Okay, we're going to fit some gas lift, bonnet, struts. Any other words they use for them, Ian? Gas lift. So basically the bottom of the range Ford Ranger model, which ours is, didn't have any of those lovely struts, so that when you're working on your car they kind of do the sound effect. They go whoop. That's a better one. Ian wins the sound effect award today. Yeah, so they go whoop. So ours has just got the old fashioned stay. So the gas struts do two things. One is they make it easier to lift. When you're not hench like me, it's good. And secondly, you don't need to put the bonnet stay up. You could always do it as an extra measure, but if you're just quickly looking at something, the gas struts hold it up, so you don't have to fish around and find the prop. Right, Ian's got this worked out. So do you want to? So let's have a look. What do we get in the kit? So in the kit we get a left and a right, and I've put them on the table in the way they are on the car. So this is sort of on the engine wing. This is mounted to the wing-ish, and that's mounted up on the bonnet hinge. So these apparently, I haven't done this yet, Ian's worked it out, these bolt on. There's no nut supplied because we're going to reuse one on the car apparently. And then they've got, these look like quite nice fittings, they look like they're stainless there. And you've got the strut at the top with the little bore there, and then we've got to fix this onto the hinge. So there's two brackets, and Ian reckons that one goes on that side and that one goes on the right side. Right, Ian, what are you going to go for first?
Get the brackets on.
Let's get the brackets on first.
Same process both sides, doesn't really matter.
Right, how am I going to?
The first we need to do is we need to take off this top nut on the hinge. The 13mm socket.
And we're only taking one of them off, so it's not going to fall on us.
No,
is it?
It's not going to go anywhere. Literally take it off, slot your bracket on, put the nut back on.
Yeah, we could do that.
Easy as that. And you'll notice these have got a groove in them to lock them in. Ooh. And they sit against that outer edge.
Yep.
So they'll locate themselves. You don't have to do anything, just tighten it all back up.
And that'll give us a little, as we look at it then, we've got the little protruding ball for that little cup to go on.
Next one we're going to take out is this 10mm wing nut down here. So it's the one right in the middle. If you're not sure which one it is, it's at the start of your
water tank,
and the other side is next to your fuse box behind your battery there.
Yeah, so there's number one. There's number one, number two.
That's number two. That's just a little M6, 10mm socket. Take that off. That and that. Make sure we get the right gas strut.
Are they sided then? Can they spin?
They do spin. They are already. They're
all orientated.
Correct. And you'll see it's just a little bit too long there.
Yeah.
Which is what we want because it'll help lift it.
So you won't fit the bottom one first.
So I'm going to go for the bottom one that we've got to wind in. Just pop it straight back in the hole you took it out of. 12mm spanner this time.
Yeah, because you've got to get on that.
You've got to get right round underneath. Just make sure that's nipped up. And we should just be able to.
Hold on, let me come and have a look. There you
push
go.
it on. Done.
Yeah,
that's one side done. And we just
other
got to repeat
side's
that
the same. Right, what we'll do, we'll get both struts done, and then we'll come back and we'll see what noise it makes, shall we? And see if it holds up on it, because that would be good. Right, so here we go. We've got the gas struts on. All went to plan. Oh, they do a noise. But yeah, they seem to hold it up. If I was working under it for long periods of time, or it was windy, I'd put the prop up as well. But if you're just checking your oil, that seems a handy little mod. It's on the Wildtracks, it's not on the base model, so it's a good upgrade.